Mackerel fish lovers, come close, come closer. Do you know this tasty fish is a real brain booster for kids? Yes, now you're knowing. If your family enjoys spaghetti and mackerel, please don't go anywhere because I'm about to show you a quick, healthy and super delicious recipe you would definitely want to try. Oh yeah, let's get cooking. If you are still watching this video, thank you so much for staying here with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more simple healthy recipes like this. See you in my next video. Bye.